of Little Flower Convent School, we extend a warm welcome to our esteemed guests, respected principal, dedicated teachers, proud parents, and of course our adorable little graduates. So let's get ready to celebrate this beautiful journey of our kindergartners as they step forward for the new phase. Let the graduation ceremony begin.
Now, dear parents, teachers, and guests, the most awaited moment is here. It's time to welcome the stars of today's celebration and smile and dream for a bright future. Dear graduates, this is your moment. Step forward proudly as we celebrate your wonderful journey in kindergarten. Parents, let's give them a huge round of applause.
Let us take a moment to seek blessings from Almighty, to invoke divine grace and fill this atmosphere with positivity and serenity. Our talented students are here to present a heartfelt prayer dance. So let us join our hearts and minds in this moment of devotion as we witness this graceful performance, seeking love, peace and guidance for our journey ahead. Dear audience, let's welcome our performance with a big round of applause as they present the prayer dance.
I love you, Lord. Oh, your mercy never fails me. All my days I've been held in your hands. From the moment that I wake up until I lay my head, I will sing of the goodness of God.
Warm and joyous welcome to everyone present here today. This is a moment of immense pride and happiness as we celebrate the achievements of little graduates. Every journey began with a step, and today marks a remarkable milestone in the lives of our young learners. To formally begin this special occasion, we now invite Hinaya from 1st Jasmine and Rajat from 2nd Jasmine to deliver the welcome speech and share their thoughts on this
Good
one.
morning to all. Myself Hinaya, myself Rajat, respected chief guest of honor, our beloved manager, Reverend Father Sean Joseph, our dynamic principal, Reverend Father Shibin Augustine, our dedicated vice principal, Sister Sunita, esteemed teachers, dear parents, and of course our little stars, the graduating kindergartners. It is with immense joy and pride that I welcome you all to this cherished occasion, the kindergarten graduation ceremony. Today, we gather to celebrate the achievements of our little ones as they take their first steps towards a bright future. Let me first extend a warm and heartfelt welcome to our chief guest, Mr. Ganesh Raj Bansal, the MLA of Hanumangarh, whose presence adds great honor to this special day. We are grateful for your valuable time and look forward to your words of inspiration. We welcome you, sir. I also take this opportunity to welcome our guest of honor, Reverend Father Cyril CST, who has been kind enough to join us today. Your presence is a source of encouragement for all of us, especially our young graduates. We welcome you, Father. A very special welcome to Reverend Father Sean Joseph, our manager, whose unwavering guidance and blessing have been a cornerstone of our institution. Success. Thank you, Father, for always steering us with wisdom and love. To our principal, Reverend Father Shibin Augustine, I extend a warm welcome. Father, your vision and leadership have been instrumental in creating a nurturing and enriching environment for these young minds to flourish. To all the parents, a warm welcome to you as well. Your unwavering support, encouragement and trust in us have helped create a strong foundation for your children's journey. Thank you for being active participants in their growth. I would also like to extend a heartfelt welcome to all our teachers, the true architects of our children's growth and success. Your hard work, patience and love have played a vital role in shaping these young lives. And today's celebration is as much about your efforts as it is about the children. As we come together to witness these joyous milestone, let us thank God for His blessing and guidance in shaping these precious lives. Finally, my most enthusiastic welcome goes out to the stars of today's event, our kindergarten graduates. This day is all about celebrating you and your achievements. You have grown, learned and blossomed in so many ways and we are so proud.
आदरणीय विधायक महोदय, प्रधानाचार्य जी, शिक्षकगण, अभिभावकगण और हमारे नन्हे मुन्ने स्नातक, आज का ये शुभ अवसर हमारे नन्हे सितारों के लिए एक महत्वपूर्ण पड़ाव है। हम सभी के लिए यह गर्व की बात है और आनंद का क्षण है कि हमारे नन्हे मुन्ने आज अपनी पहली शिक्षा यात्रा के एक अहम मुकाम पर पहुंच चुके हैं। सबसे पहले मैं हमारे माननीय विधायक महोदय का इस विशेष अवसर पर हार्दिक स्वागत करती हूं एवं अभिनंदन करती हूं कि हमारे आपके सानिध्य में आज यह समारोह और भी यादगार बन गया है। आपके मार्गदर्शन और नेतृत्व में हमारा क्षेत्र निरंतर प्रगति कर रहा है। आपकी दूरदृष्टि और जन सेवा की भावना ने समाज में नई ऊंचाइयों को छूने की प्रेरणा दी है। आपके सहयोग और प्रयासों से हमारे क्षेत्र में विकास कार्य तेजी से हो रहे हैं, जिससे जनता को लाभ मिल रहा है। आज इन छोटे छोटे बच्चों ने शुरुआती शैक्षणिक सफर को सफलतापूर्वक पूरा किया है। इनकी मासूम मुस्कान और चमकती आंखें इस बात का प्रतीक है कि सीखने की यह यात्रा कितनी आनंदमय रही है। इस उपलब्धि के पीछे हमारे समर्पित शिक्षकों और अभिभावकों का भी बहुत बड़ा योगदान है, जिनकी मेहनत और प्रेम से यह बच्चे सीखने और बढ़ने की प्रेरणा पाते हैं। माननीय विधायक महोदय, आपका सानिध्य हमें प्रोत्साहित करता है और हमें आगे बढ़ने की प्रेरणा देता है। हमें गर्व है कि आप जैसे प्रतिनिधि हमारे साथ हैं, जो शिक्षा को प्राथमिकता देते हैं और हमारे बच्चों के उज्जवल भविष्य के लिए कार्यरत हैं। अंत में एक बार फिर से हम सभी आपके प्रति अपना हृदय से आभार व्यक्त करते हैं और आपका स्वागत करते हैं। अंत में मैं हमारे नन्हे स्नातकों को शुभकामनाएं देना चाहती हूँ। यह दीक्षांत समारोह आपकी उपलब्धियों का प्रतीक है, लेकिन यह तो बस शुरुआत है। आगे की यात्रा में नए अनुभव, नई चुनौतियां और नई सफलताएं आपका इंतजार कर रही हैं। आप सभी का यहाँ उपस्थित होने के लिए धन्यवाद। आइए हम सब मिलकर इन बच्चों के उज्जवल भविष्य की कामना करें और इस समारोह को यादगार बनाएं।
Begin this auspicious occasion, let us invoke divine blessing with the sacred ritual, the lighting of the lamp.
To perform this special ceremony, we would like to invite our honorable chief guest, Mr. Irshad Bansal, MLA Hanumangarh, esteemed guest of honor, Reverend Father Cyril CST, respected manager, Reverend Father Shah Joseph, respected principal, Reverend Father Shivir Augustine, our little stars, to kindly come forward and light the ceremonial lamp. Their academic journey, it is so that stars are here to share their views. They order, let's put our together. Welcome Ithal, Yuki and UKG Daisy, Ishanika, UKG Jasmine with big round of applause. Morning everyone, my name is Ithal Buddha, studying UKG Daisy, respected chief guest, guest of honor, manager Father Shah, principal Father Shibin, and vice principal Sister Sunita, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. Today I am going to speak on the topic saving electricity. Electricity is precious and makes our lives bright and comfortable. We should switch off lights and gadgets when we don't need them. Using less electricity helps us save money and energy for the future. Natural light during the day is free. Let's open our windows and enjoy it. Switching to LED bulbs saves more energy than using regular bulbs. Unplugging chargers when not in use helps save electricity. Using less air conditioning and more fresh air is another way to save electricity. Remind our family members to save electricity and make it a fun habit. Saving electricity not only reduces waste but also helps protect our earth. Let's promise to use electricity wisely and make a big difference. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. My name is Shanika from UKG Jasmine. Respected Chief Guest of Honor, our Manager Father Shan Joseph, our Principal Father Shivin, Sister Sunita, our Vice Principal, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. Today I want to talk very important respect for teachers. Teachers are like our second parents. They teach us new things, help us when we make mistakes, and always want the best for us. They show us how to read, write when we good children. They show us we respect our parents. We listen carefully when teachers speak. We say good morning and thank you to them. Be kind and polite in class. Thank you. Today is a special day of a celebration, joy, and unforgettable memories as a world little star. The mime is a beautiful form of a storytelling, speak louder than words. Ladies and gentlemen, sit back, relax, and enjoy kindergarten performance filled with emotion and meaningful messages. family time, physical activity, creativity, etc. it was it time?
It's time to add some energy, joy and cuteness to our celebration. Yes, our little stars from the nursery section are all set to take the stage with a delightful dance performance. Their teeny feet, bright smiles and innocent enthusiasm will surely fill this soul with happiness. So let us invite the three students with their adorable performance. Our chief guest is someone who has spotted and believed value of early education, guiding and inspiring us to continue shaping the future of these young minds. Ladies and gentlemen, today is a day of celebration, pride and excitement. We are here to honor the incredible journey of our little stars who are ready to take next big step in their learning journey. Yes, we are talking about our UKT graduates who work so hard, learning so much and now stand on the threshold of a new adventure today.
They are ready to step into the world of formal schooling, and it is our privilege to celebrate this moment with them. So, we would like to invite our esteemed chief guest onto the stage to share his thoughts and also honor our graduates.
लिटिल फ्लावर कॉन्वेंट स्कूल हनुमानगढ़ जंक्शन के इस विशाल प्रांगण में आज एलकेजी से यूकेजी में प्रवेश करने वाले हमारे नन्हे मुन्ने बच्चों के स्वागत में रखे गए इस दीक्षांत समारोह में मंचासीन स्कूल के फादर, प्रिंसिपल, सह प्रिंसिपल, मैनेजर और स्कूल में धनरत मेरे प्यारे व बच्चे बच्चियों के पधारे हुए सम्मानित अभिभावकगण, स्कूल में धनरत मेरे प्यारे बच्चे व बच्चियों, आज आप सभी का मैं इस दीक्षांत समारोह में बहुत बहुत स्वागत करता हूं और आपको नमस्कार, सत श्री अकाल, राम राम बुलाता हूं। एलकेजी से यूकेजी में प्रवेश करने वाले बच्चों के को उत्साहित करने के लिए जो आज स्कूल के संस्था के पदाधिकारियों, शिक्षकों के द्वारा जो ये समारोह आयोजित किए गए हैं, बहुत ही अच्छी शुरुआत है। इस तरीके के समारोह से बच्चों में शिक्षा के प्रति उत्साह जागृत होता है और संस्था के द्वारा उन्हें जो उत्साहित करने के तरीके से ये समारोह रखा गया है वो बहुत ही अच्छी शुरुआत है। मैं सभी संस्था के पदाधिकारियों को, फादर, प्रिंसिपल, मैनेजर और स्कूल में कार्यरत अध्यापक एवं अध्यापकों को बहुत बहुत बधाई देता हूँ और साधुवाद देता हूँ कि आपने ये समारोह आयोजित किया और मुझे भी इस समारोह में आपने आमंत्रित करके जो बच्चों के द्वारा मनमोहक प्रस्तुतियाँ दी जा रही है उसे देखने का मौका दिया, उसके लिए मैं आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद करता हूँ। निसंदेह हनुमानगढ़ क्षेत्र में आपका स्कूल लिटिल फ्लावर कॉन्वेंट स्कूल इस प्रतिस्पर्धा के युग में अग्रणी स्थान पर है। इस स्कूल में धनरत बच्चे व बच्चियाँ अच्छी शिक्षा प्राप्त करके, अच्छी इंग्लिश सीखकर ऊंचे पदों पर पदस्थापित हो रहे हैं। मैं इसके लिए भी संस्था व स्कूल के सभी अध्यापकगण को बहुत बहुत साधुवाद देता हूँ। बच्चों के अभिभावकगण भी अपनी गाड़ी खून पसीने की कमाई से बच्चों को शिक्षा दिलाते हैं और अपना फर्ज पूरा करते हैं। वो भी बहुत बहुत साधुवाद के पात्र हैं, बधाई के पात्र हैं कि आप बच्चों का भविष्य संवार रहे हैं। बच्चों ने अभी जो मोबाइल के बारे में मूक प्रदर्शन किया, उसके लिए मैं बच्चों से भी निवेदन करूंगा कि आपने जो ये मूक प्रदर्शन करके दिखाया, आप इसका अनुसरण भी करें, क्योंकि आज के ज़माने में मोबाइल ज़रूरी भी है, लेकिन पढ़ने वाले बच्चों के लिए ये मोबाइल को अवॉइड करना भी ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि हम अगर मोबाइल में लगे रहेंगे तो शिक्षा पूरी ग्रहण नहीं कर पाएंगे। तो मैं बच्चों से यही निवेदन करूंगा कि मोबाइल चलाने के लिए भी कोई घंटा आधा घंटा समय अपना फिक्स करें, बाकी समय आप शिक्षा के प्रति जो आपको गुरुजन सिखाते हैं उन के सिखाए हुए मार्गों पर चलते हुए आप शिक्षा के क्षेत्र में आगे बढ़ें और ऊंचे पदों पर पदस्थापित होकर अपने स्कूल का, अपने गुरुजन का और अपने अभिभावकगण का और अपने इस क्षेत्र का नाम रोशन करें। मैं बच्चों से यही कामना करता हूँ और भगवान से भी यही कामना करता हूँ, जो आप हमारे बच्चे जो पढ़ रहे हैं उन बच्चों को अच्छी शिक्षा देकर और ये बच्चे अपना उन्नति का मार्ग प्रशस्त करें। मैं यही भगवान से कामना करता हूँ। और आज जिन बच्चों ने मनमोहक प्रस्तुतियाँ की और जो बच्चे एलकेजी से यूकेजी में आए, मैं उनके उज्जवल भविष्य की कामना करता हूँ और अपना स्थान ग्रहण करता हूँ। आज संस्था के पदाधिकारियों के द्वारा, फादर साहब, प्रिंसिपल साहब के द्वारा जो मान सम्मान दिएगा बुलाकर, उसके लिए मैं उनका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, बहुत बहुत आभार व्यक्त करता हूँ। जय हिंद।
His favorite fruit is grapes. His favorite color is red. He likes to do cycling and wants to be an IPS officer.
Aniket, his favorite fruit is apple. He likes blue color. He wants to be cricketer.
Arjun's favorite fruit is orange. He likes blue color. His favorite game is hide and seek. Arjun wants to be a policeman.
Dilnoor, she likes red and pink color. Her favorite fruit is banana and grapes. She likes to play hide and seek. Dilnoor wants to be a doctor. He wants to be a cricketer.
Gassia. Gassia's favorite color is purple. Her favorite fruit is mango and lychee. She likes to play hide and seek. She wants to be a doctor.
Gurleen. Gurleen's favorite fruit is mango. Her favorite color is pink. She likes skating. She
Time
wants
out
to
to be with us today and for inspiring our students with your presence and words.
I take this moment to appreciate and congratulate our little ones who made this day a colorful one, and I thank those hands who have shaped them. And I thank you, dear parents, for being the part of this family with your support and joining us today. मैं इस अवसर पर हमारे विधायक महोदय गणेश राज बांसल जी को आज हमारे बीच उपस्थित होने के लिए धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूं। जैसा कि आप जानते हैं, पहले वे चेयरमैन रह चुके हैं और अब हनुमानगढ़ में विधायक बन गए हैं। परिवर्तन का रहस्य यह है कि आप अपनी सारी ऊर्जा एनर्जी पुरानी चीज़ों से लड़ने पर नहीं बल्कि नई चीज़ें बनाने पर केंद्रित करें। इस उम्र में भी हम देख सकते हैं कि हमारे एमएलए साहब जी युवा अवस्था की तरह सक्रिय है, एक्टिव है। हम सभी जानते हैं कि वह हमारे समाज के लिए बहुत काम कर रहे हैं। जो घटनाक्रम डेवलपमेंट्स हम यहाँ देख रहे हैं वो हमारी आंखों के सामने हैं। 4 साल पहले ऐसी स्थिति नहीं थी। ये रीसेंट डेवलपमेंट्स ये जो हम देख रहे हैं, इसके बाद ये भूमिका का मूल्य 3 गुना बढ़ गया है और ये उनके काम का प्रभाव है। ऐसा सुना जाता है कि हनुमानगढ़ राजस्थान का दूसरा प्रगतिशील और विकासशील शहर है और ये सारा क्रेडिट्स हमारे प्यारे एमएलए सर जी को जाता है। वो हमेशा हमारा स्वागत करने के लिए तैयार रहते हैं और बड़े प्यार से हमारा स्वागत करते हैं। जब भी हम उसके पास जाते वे हमारी बात सुनने के लिए तैयार रहते हैं और ये सुनिश्चित करते भी है उनसे जो काम मांगा गया है वो पूरा हो। और आज भी उन्होंने छोटे बच्चों के लिए समय निकाला है। तो प्रिय विधायक महोदय जी, स्कूल प्रबंधन की ओर से मैं आपके कीमती समय और हमारे प्रति आपकी चिंता के लिए धन्यवाद देता हूं। हम कामना करते हैं और प्रार्थना करते हैं कि आपके कार्य हनुमानगढ़ के लोगों के लिए और अधिक खुशियां लेकर आए। आप सभी का
Everyone, my name is Manu. I stand in Mukherjee, respected chief guest, guest of honor, manager Father Shyam, principal Father Shibin, and vice principal Sister Sunita, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. Today I will speak on the topic nature. Anything that we feel around us is nature. It is beautiful creation of God. Nature provides us clean air, clean water, fruits, vegetables, and many more. Nature is very precious to us. It maintains an ecological system to make everyone live in heaven in balance. In nature can be life-saving to us. It is very important to take care of nature. We should not litter and pollute it. Please keep our nature clean and green. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Myra. I am from UKG. Respected chief guest, guest of honor, our manager, Father Shyam Yasab, our principal, Father Shivi, Sister Sunita, our vice principal, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. Today I want to talk about something very special, respect for parents. Our parents are the most important people in our life. They love us, take care of us, and do everything to keep us happy. They teach us good values and always want the best for us. How can we show respect to our parents? We listen to them and obey their words. We say thank you and I love you to them. We help them at home in small ways. We never talk back or be promise to love and respect parents.
And Simon, our little star from LKG, are all set to bring joy to the stage with a delightful action song. Our young performers are ready to showcase their enthusiasm with lively action and adorable expressions. So dear audience, get ready to smile, clap and enjoy as our LKG students take the stage to present their action songs. Let's welcome them with a huge round of applause.
In the morning we are starting.
And it's true joy to see our young graduates ready to step into the next phase of their learning journey. It's always wonderful to hear from our little stars, and today we have the privilege of inviting one of our bright UKG students to share their thoughts and felicitate this momentous occasion. We are delighted to welcome Ivyanshi from UKG Jasmine, one of our shining UKG graduates, to the stage. Let's encourage them with a warm round.
My name is Vanshi Gupta. I study in UKG Jasmine. Respected chief guest of honor, our manager, Father Shan Joseph, our principal, Father Shivin, Sister Sunita, our vice principal, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. Today is very special day for all of us. We have completed UKG and are ready for the next big step. We have learned so many new things: reading, writing, counting, and being kind. Our teachers and parents have helped us to grow, and we are very thankful to them. As we move to the next class, let us always listen to our teachers. Respect everyone. Congratulations to all my friends. God bless you.
Today, our little performer have put together a delightful play that showcases the magic of imagination, friendship and the joy of learning. Today, our little performer have put together a delightful play. Our stage is going to be filled with energy and excitement as our young stars take us thought fun-filled. So let's sit back, relax and enjoy the performance of our LKG students. Let's welcome them a big round of applause as they bring their imagination to life on the stage with this wonderful
How to grow seed. There was a small brown senior fawn. She was living all alone by herself. One day, the sun came down to her and said,
Knock, knock, knock. Here, little seed. I am the sun. Let me come in. I am going to give you my light and feel warm. No, I don't want your light. Leave me alone.
The sun went away. Next day, rain came.
Hello, beautiful seed. You must be thirsty. Here, have some water.
The seed said,
Go away. I don't want to drink water.
Then came air. It tried to push open the door of the seed's house. He said to the seed,
Knock, knock, knock. Here I come to make you feel light on. Please open the door.
The seed said,
I am happy alone. Please don't trouble me.
But soon the seed felt that she is very lonely. She needs to make things with sun, rain and air, and then she called all of them and asked if they can become her friends. All three agreed and become her friends. The sun changed sunlight with the seed. She felt warm and better. The seed was very thirsty, so she drank all the rainwater and felt nice. By breathing fresh air, seed felt good. Now the seed started growing and out in a baby plant. Soon a beautiful purple flower bloomed on the plant. The seed have grown into a lovely pretty flowering plant. The seed understood the importance of the rain and the other friends. So the moral of the story is the seed needs the rain, the sun and the air to grow faster and healthier.
Abhitya and Suresh from UKG Daisy to the stage to deliver a special speech. Let's give a warm round of applause as they step forward to share their beautiful thoughts on this moment.
My name is Abhitya Vishalmita, I study in UKG Daisy. Respected Chief Guest, Guest of Honor, Manager Father Shan, Principal Father Shibin, and Vice Principal Sister Sunita, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. Today, my topic is discipline. Discipline is the key to success. It improves our personality and raises identity. Punctuality is the sign of discipline. Our environment helps us to develop a strong discipline. Getting up early and exercise is also part of discipline. It also helps in nation building. We can see in nature also. Thank you.
My name is Suryansh. Today I want to talk about a very important topic. Trees. Trees are our best friend. They give us so many things that we need to live. Trees gives us oxygen, and without oxygen we cannot breathe. Trees also give us fruits, flowers and wood. If we cut too much trees, we will lose clean air and many animals will lose their homes. So let us plant more trees and take care of them. Thank you. Now it is time for our little graduates to showcase their confidence and style. These young HVS have hard working to reach this milestone, and today they are going to shine as they take a walk on stage in a grand catwalk with smiles on their face, pride on their hearts. Our LKG students are ready to show it. You just how bright their future. Let's cheer them on as they step forward with head held high. Representing this amazing journey is Hedda Kindergarten. So without further, let's daily invite our LKG graduates for their grand catwalk. Let's all give them a big round of applause as they walk proudly on the stage.
Yo, raise up the walk, light it up to the beat. Come on, give it to me, give it to me, God, just what I do, and never lie to me. It's hot, come on, baby, do you do the work? जिस्मों का है ये जलवा, जिस्मों का है ये जलवा, शोहरत भी है ये जलवा, मकसद भी है ये जलवा. Tell them like it is. I couldn't see it. दिलकश लगे ये जलवा, महकश लगे ये जलवा, नशा ही नशा ये जलवा, मजा ही मजा, नशा ही नशा. Throw it up, जलवा. और सी रवानियाँ, yo, I know what like yo, ये जला दे दिलों में दिलदार. ये जलवा फैशन का है, ये जलवा, ये जलवा, ये जलवा फैशन का है, ये जलवा, ये जलवा, ये जलवा फैशन का है, ये जलवा, ये जलवा, ये जलवा फैशन का है, ये जलवा. She got the styling in her. Not even smiling in her. She got the styling in her.
It is wonderful to see how the journey is inspiring those who are just some steps ahead. It is a special moment when one of our class 2nd students who have already moved forward in their academic journey comes back to share their thought and facilitate our young graduates. We are now delighted to invite Jessica from class 2nd Daisy, a bright student from class 2nd, to the stage to offer their fascination speech to our dear graduates. Let's give Jessica a warm round of applause as they step forward to deliver their words of encouragement and congratulations to our little.
Good morning to everyone, respected Chief Guest Mr. Ganesh Raj Bansal, Guest of Honor, Father Cyril CST, our Manager, Father Shandos, our Principal, Father Shibin Augustine, Sister Sunita, our Vice Principal, teachers, parents and my dear students. Today is a very special day as we celebrate the graduation of our little star from kindergarten. First of all, I congratulate each and every child for reaching this milestone. You have learned so many things, how to read, write, count, and most importantly, how to be kind and friendly to one another. Dear children, you are growing up so fast. As you move to the next class, always remember to listen to your teacher, respect your elders, and never stop being curious. Learning is a beautiful journey, and this is just a beginning. A big thanks to our wonderful teachers and parents who guide in these children with love and patience. Your effort helped them to become confident and happy learners. Once again, I congratulations to our little graduates. May you continue to shine bright and make us all proud. Thank you and God bless you.
As of the show, our tiny dancers are ready to rock the stage. These young dancers are going to bring house down with their energy and enthusiasm. Let us put our hands together for the dancers.
लिखे जो खत तुझे वो तेरी तुझसे प्यार है, जिया बेकरार है, आजा मेरी बुलबुल, तेरा इंतजार है, हमको तुझसे प्यार है, जिया बेकरार है, आजा मेरी बुलबुल, तेरा इंतजार है।
डाक बाबू लाया रे संदेशवा मोरे पिया जी को भाए ना विदेशवा लाया डाक बाबू लाया रे संदेशवा मोरे पिया जी को भाए ना विदेशवा उड़े उड़े रे मन मेरा हूँ मगन उड़े उड़े रे मन मेरा हूँ मगन के पिया घर आएगा लाया डाक बाबू लाया रे संदेशवा मोरे पिया जी को भाए ना विदेशवा ओड़ा हेड़ा 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 ओड़ा हेड़ा 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 गाओ गाओ रे प्यार के ये गीत गाओ रे आने वाला रे सजनी का मनमीत गाओ रे अखियों में गजरा लगाऊं फूलों से खुद को सजाऊं घड़ी घड़ी मैं गौर के दरवाजे पे आऊं जाऊं अखियों में गजरा लगाऊं फूलों से खुद को सजाऊं घड़ी घड़ी मैं गौर के दरवाजे पे आऊं जाऊं कर पिया पिया मोरा जिया जिया के पिया घर आएगा लाया डाक बाबू लाया रे संदेशवा मोरे पिया जी को भाए ना विदेशवा होड़ा हेड़ा 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 होड़ा हेड़ा 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 हेड़ा
Once again, in the series, we are here with the graduation ceremony of our stars. So we would like to invite our honorable guest of honor.
He likes to study and also likes to play with his pet. He wants to become SDM.
Divija. Divija likes to study. She likes drawing and even playing. She wants to become teacher.
Dikshita. She likes to study.
To her parents, she likes to eat pizza. Her favorite color is pink and she wants to become a doctor.
Gurpreet. He likes playing and watching TV. His favorite color is blue. He wants to become a policeman.
Gurshej. He likes to play. He enjoys helping his father. His favorite color is red.
Come any of the two parents onto the stage to share their thoughts with us.
अपने बच्चों के स्कूल का एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करना चाहूँगी क्योंकि मैंने अपने बच्चे यहाँ पे LKG क्लास में लगाए थे और आज उनका कॉन्फिडेंस इतना अच्छा है कि वो स्टेज पे परफॉर्म करते हैं, अच्छा स्पीच करते हैं। मैं अगर उनको बोलूँ कि हाँ कि बच्चे आप इनके सामने कुछ करो तो विदाउट एनी हेसिटेशन बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म करते हैं और सब मुझे यही पूछते हैं कि आपके बच्चे किस स्कूल में हैं। तो मैं उनको यही बोलती हूँ कि मेरे बच्चे लिटिल फ्लावर में हैं और मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है उनका कॉन्फिडेंस देख के और मैं उनको इंस्पायर भी करती हूँ कि हनुमानगढ़ में जो स्कूल है वो लिटिल फ्लावर है और बहुत अच्छा है। तो प्लीज़ थैंक यू।
Kavyash Bansal from UKG days. I glad to speak my some words about the teachers, faculty, about the kindergarten students. It's a very generating and built up performance in a stage performance. All these activity-based study. I am very happy to share my experience. My little kid is only 1 year experience. He joined the school UKG and now he perform very well on the.
Good morning everyone. Respected principal, staff, parents and dear students. Myself Dr. Bhagat Singh and today I am feeling pleasure and honored that you gave me some special time for this occasion. As a parent, I deeply appreciate the effort of the school in the shaping of our children. The dedication and the hard work of the teacher are superb. I remember that when my daughter Gurnoor Kaur took admission in the LKG class, that time she was weak. But after we get the admission here, not only she improved academically, but also her performance improved also in extracurricular activities, as well as her performance also improved day by day. This is only possible due to the hard work of the teachers, especially Reenu ma'am, Vanita ma'am. My one daughter studying in LKG class, one in the 6th class. So as I see the performance of there, definitely I can say that the Little Flower Convent School is the best school in the Hanumangarh. I also congratulate the UKG student which those are promoting to the 1st class. So once again, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to the school management for the organization such wonderful event. So let us continue together to build a bright future for our students.
And Sister Sunita and all my staff members and all the Little Flower family, I am very thankful that they given me the opportunity to share my views about my Little Flower Convent School and my child. He is studying here. He is in UKG Jasmine, Ayan Bansal. I am a mother of that child. So I would like to share something about this school. As you know from the name itself, Little Flower. So little flowers are studying here and we have a very brilliant teachers who are providing them, who are nourishing them like a flower. Flower, what flower need? Nourishment to grow and grow and grow. So what teachers of Little Flower are doing? They are giving nourishment to those buds, those flowers to grow through the education, and a friendly environment is also given. So what I felt, my child is enjoying to come to school every day because so many activities, such a friendly nature with the teacher. Instead of sharing with me, he used to share things with
colorful. Our little birds are ready with their mix of their little limbs. Make a beautiful pattern on the stage. Their steps, method, or silver should clap for them. Let us invite
UKG student for the action song.
One year older, 1 year wiser, 1 year taller and stronger and brighter, one step closer to being the best that I can be. Thank you for helping me. 1 year older, 1 year wiser, 1 year taller and stronger and brighter, one step closer to being the best that I can be. Thank you for helping me. Our lights are burning bright. Knowledge is our guiding light. Happy graduation day. We have come such a long way. Our lights are burning bright. Knowledge is our guiding light. Happy graduation day. We have come such a long way. We have come such a long way. We have come such a long way. One year older, 1 year wiser, 1 year taller and stronger and brighter, one step closer to being the best that I can be. Thank you for helping me. 1 year older, 1 year wiser, 1 year taller and stronger and brighter, one step closer to being the best that I can be. Thank you for helping me. Our lights are burning bright. Knowledge is our guiding light. Happy graduation day. We have come such a long way. Our lights are burning bright. Knowledge is our guiding light. Happy graduation day. We have come such a long way. We have come such a long way.
Chief guest of honor, our beloved manager, our dynamic principal, our dedicated vice principal, esteemed teachers, dear parents and my dear children. As we come to the end of this wonderful ceremony, it is my privilege to extend heartfelt word of thanks to all who made this event memorable and meaningful. First and foremost, I would like to express my deepest gratitude to our chief guest, Mr. Ganesh Raj Bansal, the MLA of Hanumangarh, for taking the time to join us today and inspiring us with your presence and word. Your encouragement means a lot to us and to our young graduates. I also extend a sincere thanks to our guest of honor, Reverend Father Cyril CST, for blessing this occasion with your esteemed presence, your support, appreciation, and great value to our celebration. A special word of gratitude to our Reverend Father Shanjas, our manager, for your constant guidance, blessing, and unwavering support. Our institution, your encouragement motivate us to strive in excellence in all that what we do. To our principal, Reverend Father Shibin Augustine, I extend thank you for your leadership and with the mates under your guidance that our little one have blossomed in this nurturing environment. To our vice principal, Sister Sunita, thank you for your dedication and support. Your efforts in ensuring the smooth function
said. To our teacher, you thank you for your hard work, patience and love. You have been the backbone of this celebration and true architects of children growth today. Success is a testament to our tireless effort. To our parents, thank you for your trust, cooperation and constant encouragement. Our active involvement in our child's education has been a key factor in their achievements, and we are also grateful for their partnership. A big thank you to sports staff who work behind us and ensure everything went smoothly. Your effort often go unnoticed, but they are invaluable to the success of events like this. Finally, to our little graduates, thank you for being the heart and soul of this celebration. Your smile and achievements and enthusiasm bring joy and pride to all of us, and you have made this day truly special. As we conclude this ceremony, let us continue to pray for God's blessing upon everyone gathered here and for the bright future of our little ones. Thank you.